what I'm gonna do now, I got the oil drained out of it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna sit on my bike and straddle it that way. Some more of the oil can go down into the oil pan. Okay. All the oil seems to be out of the bike. So now I'm gonna still leave the plug unscrewed. Now I'm gonna use my oil filter wrench, and I'm going to remove the oil filter from the motorcycle. Okay. Got it loosened up here. Okay, I'm gonna get back on the bike again. Straddle it. Keep it up straight. Let some more oil drain out of it. Okay. Looks like all the oil's drained. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my oil bolt and make sure that you have the washer with it, because you will need that. Make sure it's clean. My wrench. Move this oil out of the way. Oops. Still have a little bit of drip in there, but that's okay. Okay, got it started. Kind of a little slick with a bunch of oil in it. Hit the wrench. We're going to tighten it back up. Let's move the oil out of the way. And on your owner's manual, or if you have a service manual, for this bike, you want to torque this boat down to 21 foot-pounds. But as you can see, I don't have one of those, so I just kind of guess. Okay, that should be good. Now, take my oil filter and I'm going to open it. If I don't drop it, I'm going to make sure also, yeah, it's removed. Make sure you also remove the old gasket that comes with the old filter because your new filter has a new one. Okay? What you want to do is now is you want to open up a quart of oil that you have. And you will want to dip your finger in that oil, get some oil on it, like I have here. And you want to apply a thin band of oil around the gasket on the oil filter. This is so it sets good and it makes a good seal. Okay? So we'll come down here. May have to do this from the other side so I can see the threads. Okay, I have it started, and for your oil filter, you want to torque it down to about 18 or 19 foot-pounds, but usually you can do that with your hands, and I don't really use that. The main thing is when you put the oil filter on, you do not want to over-tighten it. Once you feel it seat pretty good, the rubber seal, you want to turn it about another half to 3/4 turns so it's properly tightened. Okay, I got it tightened down my hands, and this has been part 1 of the video. Next part will be putting the oil in and putting the oil stove on.